Shenzhen Toplink Electronics Company Limited is one of the leaders of the Pogo pin industry in China and the creator of the wire connector industry in China. We have built a cooperative relationship with many world-class multinational corporations in order to ensure that our products are of the reliable quality. We only use the fine state-of-the-art production equipment purchased from the fine technology companies in countries well known for their engineering prowess, such as Japan, Germany, Switzerland, Taiwan. Our quality control system was developed in-house and is the comprehensive system in the industry. Toplink boasts a number of patents and certificates, including CE, CQC, VDE, and a host of others. Toplink enjoys the status of being the innovator in the quick wire connection field, and we continuously pour time and investment into research and development to keep our technology ahead of the competition. The production equipment we employ, such as the precision CNC machine tools from Milano, the high-speed modular machine tools from Switzerland, and the injection molding machines from Taiwan. The philosophy of our firm is quality is the most important factor in business. Our company has established, maintained, and relentlessly improved the quality management system so as to ensure the quality of products and services. Here we see a top-level engineer developing a new type of wire connector product. Welcome to Toplink.